past, spirits whisper. Moonlight dances, shadows flicker. Dreams unfold in misty haze, lost in ancient timeless maze. Rivers sing a secret song. Winds are calling, journey long. Echoes fade like morning dew. Mystic paths that we pursue. Underneath the stars we roam, finding places we call home. Waves of light and sound collide in this world where shadows hide. Mountains murmur tales untold. Whispers warm while nights grow cold. Footprints vanish in the sand, leaving dreams just out of hand. Through the night, the echoes call, soaring